how to chat on Litmatch app. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can chat on Litmatch app. So you can chat on Litmatch in different ways. You can chat through the soul game, through the voice game, or through your inbox. Okay, so by chatting through the soul game, all you need to do is to click on soul game, then you wait for the page to load, and then contacts would be matched with you, and so you can just go ahead and chat with the person that you've been matched with. Okay, just send the message, and then once it is seen and read, a response will be given to you, and then you can chat with the person. All right, so this is one way to chat. And also the second way to chat is by making use of voice game. So you can just click on voice game by the right side of the screen, and then you would also be matched with someone. So you can just wait to be matched, or you could make the window smaller, okay, until where you are matched. And then when you are matched, you can just go ahead and have a call with the person. So that is one way. So that's this is the second way to chat. Then the third way, which is by your inbox, you can just move to the bottom part of the screen, click on your chat inbox, and then you would see the current friends that you have, and you can just go ahead, click on the chats that you'd like to respond to, and then go ahead and send your message to the person. Okay, it's as simple. So we can also chat by commenting on posts or reels on people's posts and start conversation with people who share similar interests as you. And how do you do that? Move to the bottom part of the screen. Next to your chat icon, you can see a globe icon. So you can see different posts there. So just go ahead and select the person that you'd like to chat with by clicking on the chat icon, which is usually next to their username. So once you click on chat, the page would load. All right, and then you will be taken to the chat page. So here you can now easily chat with the person and say whatever you want to say. After sending your own chat, wait for a response, and you can go ahead and communicate with the person. So these are the various ways you can chat on Litmatch. Thank you for watching, and have a good